talk about the 6 C's here at Forma. One C that often gets left aside, yet is so very powerful and underestimated, is the C for compassion. I'm going to ask the class of 2019, in diverting from the traditional framework of our graduation ceremony. We have a young man here with us tonight, a member of the class of 2019. His name is Jack Higgins. Unlike many of us, Jack is super sensitive to loud noises. So I'm asking that we give Jack his diploma first at the beginning of the ceremony. In order to do that, I'm going to ask a big favor of everybody today. I would like everyone to not clap and not cheer. That's correct. Not clap and not cheer, because it may overstimulate Jack as he comes to the podium to receive his diploma. So we're going to announce Jack like we would everybody else. Jack Higgins, please come to the stage to receive your diploma. Thank you, everyone. It is because of all of you that makes this place so special and wonderful.